Welcome to Cars Drive Sphere, your trusted source for the latest automotive insights. Today, we take a deep dive into the 2025 Isuzu Giga, a powerful and reliable heavy-duty truck that continues to set benchmarks in its segment. Known for its robust performance and excellent fuel efficiency, the 2025 model arrives with a host of upgrades that make it more versatile and appealing for commercial transport operations. Under the hood, the Isuzu Giga 2025 comes equipped with a refined 9.8-liter turbocharged diesel engine delivering high torque and horsepower suitable for long-haul and heavy-load tasks. The engine is paired with a smooth shifting transmission that enhances driving comfort even under full-load conditions. With improved emissions compliance, the truck is also more environmentally friendly, meeting stringent global standards. The exterior design of the 2025 Giga stays true to its functional and rugged look, while integrating aerodynamic tweaks to improve fuel economy. The front grille has been redesigned for better airflow and the headlamps now feature modern LED units, ensuring better visibility in all driving conditions. Step inside the cabin and you'll find a driver-focused layout with upgraded materials, a new digital instrument cluster, and an advanced infotainment system that supports Bluetooth and smartphone connectivity. Safety has been given high priority with the 2025 Isuzu Giga. It includes features such as lane departure warning, collision mitigation system, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, and multiple airbags to ensure driver and cargo safety. The improved suspension setup and stronger chassis design also contribute to a more stable and comfortable ride, even on challenging terrains. For fleet managers, Isuzu has included telematics support that allows real-time tracking of vehicle status, fuel usage, and driver behavior. This makes the 2025 Giga not just a strong performer on the road, but also a smart choice for improving operational efficiency and reducing long-term costs. Overall, the 2025 Isuzu Giga proves to be a worthy upgrade with practical innovations, better safety, and increased durability. Whether you're managing a logistics company or handling construction transport, this truck delivers consistent results across the board. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest automotive news and reviews, make sure to subscribe to our channel.